temen ya di kamsai jai mong.
Temen ko pa mian yang hana hab mudu ya wa mele sungi.
Mana mudu ya mele sungi.
Tip sino memang abang alim tak lah post nyang buat syuk.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Ka Liengsuiñ ka ba usumbut miturang ba jong ka Maharashtra u Ajit Pawar u Shong ka de ka Learjet 45 ka ba pinyat da ka Kompeni VSR Aviation ka Liengsuiñ jong ka ni ka company ka lab theiru hau nailu jong usnam araja apulai ha Mumbai airport. Hadin balami ka jingdawa ba di bentok kit benya halor ka jingthei jong ka ni ka Liengsuiñ ba Shong u Ajit Pawar u Trai jong ka ni ka company u VK Singh u Loong ba ka de ka Liengsuiñ ka ba bit ka ba byang ba ka bamdan Jingthut AA ba ka deiru ka ba ki sumar bha. Ulakran tikna bakanam dan Jingthut AA yikitiar shapo ru. Halor ka jingmi ki jingkentho ba balay umbu no sharut lada ki de ka barim. VK Singh uloong ba balay un shubu no sharut haba ka de ka Liengsuiñ ka barang bha. Uloong ru ba ka ni ka Learjet ka de ka ba barok ki pendan kamlut ha ka perthei bar kumta kamdan jingmut ban kran AA ya kata. Kani ka de ka Liengsuiñ ka balashna ba lap ningkong da ubilia ubana United States bar ka de ka Liengsuiñ ka bala ban Shong tang prangun. Using ulo ang ruba u pilot uba penher ya ka Liengsuiñ uday ubala shampang bha bar ubala debru ban penher hadu khanru hajar kanta bar ka pilot ka ba senran lang ru ka day ka bala tibin ka bala penher kumba 6000 sanspa kanta ka Liengsuiñ ka ba ki penher ru ka day ka bala shna house nam araja shipho bar ka don ru ya ka airworthiness review certificate ka bankut hadu unai lur araja apun riu.
Because उसमें ना तो आप थे ना मैं था कोई नहीं था वो पायलट का डिसीजन था he made an approach from runway 29 and then he carried out a missed approach after which again he tried to make an attempt from runway 11. This is what I also have no contact with the pilots. They are not there. It is a very unfortunate incident. We are very sad about it. We are trying to first be with the family, solidly with the family who have lost their best next of kins. It's a very unfortunate incident. Primarily, it appears that the pilot could not see the runway, and that's why he would have carried out.
But he has already taken 2 loops. How is it possible that he could not see?
The pilot will carry out a missed approach in case if he is not comfortable to land on the runway.
Yeah.
Very experienced pilot, more than 16,000 hours of experience. Very seasoned. The co-pilot was also 15,000 hours.
Okay.
1,500 hours.
Okay.
And the captain was very experienced, instructor examiner material. He was with Sahara, he was with Jet Light, he was with Jet Airways, and he was very experienced on this type of aeroplane also.
So but the distance was almost more than 6 kilometers from the runway. Do you think it's possible that he could not have seen it, or there could have been any technical scan?
I really don't know because I was not there.
Because we are talking about the flight data report.
I'm only talking of the information that I have got from the eyewitnesses.
When was the last security check done on the aircraft?
The aircraft was very well maintained. There was absolutely no problem in the aircraft. There was no technical failure in the aircraft. My deepest condolences to Captain Sumit Kapoor was a very good friend of mine. Very good friend of mine. He was a brother to me. Yeah. His son is also a pilot with us. Captain Shambhavi was a daughter to me. He was a child to me. And both of them were extremely good human beings, extremely good pilots.
So where
unfortunate. They're from Delhi. They're from Delhi. It is very unfortunate this has happened. Please give us time to come out of this, irreparable shock.
Agreed, sir.
Thank you.